are in Ubon Ratchathani, and we're in this ethnic village right outside the city a little bit. And I am going to give you a little bit of a background of what we're checking out over here. So let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in this ethnic village. Okay, let me put this up on the map so you can see the location of this little village, and then you can also see a greater map of where we're at in Thailand. And this particular city has this kind of little small village, and we're going to be exploring it and giving you a little taste of what it looks like. So let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. And we're going to start right here with these guys. So we even have like a little snake, some money. More interesting stuff. So we're going to see, I think it's like an ethnic village, and these are some of the different stuff around it. Lots of marketplace stuff too. Some pretty intricate little details here. Not sure what it all means, but it's pretty interesting. And I guess there's references to the fields. Lots of artisan facts, different random things from the village. Thank you, Cup and Cat. That's good.
Welcome to น้ำตกผาแงนครับเจริญธรรมครับเจริญงานครับก็ยินดีต้อนรับ
We'll stop the rain CCR clean and clear water
Oh yeah CCR
clean and clear water CCR We'll stop the rain
ก็ยินดีต้อนรับนะครับ
Yeah, it's really cool. Like just the Thai people and seeing those musicians. I was thinking they might want some donations or something like that, but they didn't even ask for that. So yeah, it's like a little bit of an ethnic village. I hope I can label it correctly. But yeah, this countryside of Thailand, I got to get to know more places and see more places and go to more places because little slides. We'll go all the way up there. Wow, look at that. Yeah, all kinds of beautiful parks up here, more landscapes. It looks like we could actually go into these areas too. Huh. Just kind of meander around a little bit and see. Wow. Keeps going up. Pretty amazing. So we were just up near there, kind of climbing up that way. Pretty cool.
Made in Thailand แดนดินไทยเราเก็บกันจนเก่าเรามีแต่ของดีๆมาตั้งแต่ก่อนสุโขทัยมาลพบุรีอยุธยาธนบุรียุคสมัยมาจากแม่กาฬสินธุ์เขาไม่ได้หลอกเรากินแต่เรานั้นหลอกตัวเอง
Something that we won't see is at 6 p.m. every day they pray and meditate here, which we won't see that, but we'll see other parts of the village.
How did you get that much money?
Wow, that's the bathroom right there even. So you can kind of see out into the river.
Toilet, Kevin.
Oh, is that? Might be right.
Right?
So let's walk in here. These look super clean. Wow. So actually I just found out this is only for the monks, so the public has to use a different one, but that's pretty beautiful spot. Okay. Here's some pretty cool artwork, so we're kind of exploring around in the village a little bit. Some artisan things, and it looks like we're going to cross over a bridge. And we got a bridge. It looks like we also have homes. These look like houses. So these might be somebody's homes as well, right? These might be people's houses?
Yes, yes.
So these are actually people's houses in the village. And we have a villager right here. Hello. Oh, the monk's house?
Yeah, the monk's house is that.
Oh, these are the monk's houses. All right. Look at these trees.
See them plants for themselves.
What kind of plants are these? Like banana plants or something? Not banana, but something.
They look like some weird random palm trees.
Yeah. Never quite seen anything quite like that. And we have a boat on top of a house. is interesting. I don't know what it is, but maybe like a scarecrow function to either scare away birds or spirits. Not sure which. Okay, so we're gonna come to an end for the village, but cool place, Ubon Ratchathani. Oh, there's a beautiful Buddha right there. I didn't quite capture that before. And a lot of people are wearing blue in this area too. So yeah, there's a nice Buddha image right there.